Hey guys, welcome back to another G35 video. So today actually we're going to be looking at lights on the tag lights. So I ordered some from Amazon. That is an upgrade to the stocks. They actually have LEDs inside of them. I don't know if you could see, but there's like a bunch of little LEDs inside. So it looks like a pretty well built, ready to install product. So hopefully these will be quite a bit brighter, and we'll see. I'm going to change one, and we'll see what the difference is between the stock. Alright guys, so the stock ones are pretty easy to get out. I don't know if you can see because it's already kind of dark, but there's a clip. There's a clip you can see kind of right there that you push on, and it's supposed to come out basically. So yeah, once you get that clip kind of pushed in, it'll fall right out. And then you can see the little plug back there, but you gotta unplug. Alright guys, so you can see here I got it out. So it unplugs pretty easily. You just gotta push and it'll come right out. This one has a regular bulb in there, but this one's like a array of LEDs. So I'm gonna put this one in, and then we'll turn them on and see the difference between the two. Alright guys, so I popped it back in, and you can see it's a pretty huge difference, guys. Look at that. I don't know if I can even block it all, but it's a lot wider, as you can see. So it's actually pretty nice, and it's not blue, it's actually white, and that's what I want. I don't want blue, so that's perfect. So these are great. These are worth every penny. Alright guys, maybe you can see a little better on this one because the lights are on. Sorry for the wind if there is any, but yeah, once you push this little lever in, it'll just drop out just like that. So once it drops out, then all you got to do is just unplug the little plug right here. Just pretty straightforward. Just push on it, pull, and it comes right out. So now we'll grab our other one. And then we can plug it in. And you can see, guys, how much brighter that is. It's crazy. That's it, simple as that, guys. Alright guys, so here's what it looks like. Looks pretty awesome. It's almost dark right now, but the camera's compensating a lot. So, but you can get a pretty good idea of how bright that is. That floor is actually lit from it right there somewhat. So it's a good amount of brightness. So anyways guys, it looks pretty awesome. So if you got an Infiniti, or I think a lot of Nissans fit these bulbs, definitely recommend this. Looks awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Hit that like button if you liked it. If you want to get these bulbs, I'll leave a link in the description. Check out my other videos for this car, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.